inspiration behind the piece came actually from a community-led workshop that we led here at WSU Spokane back in May of 2022. The actual piece itself reflects that intersection of ethnomedicine and biomedicine and the way non-Western health systems utilize medicinal plants as a form of healing and wellness. The process was fairly extensive. I had to sketch it out and draw it out on the panels, and there's a total of 8 wooden panels, and I had to draw every single one of them, and then I painted it, all of it, to reflect all of the different colors of the medicinal plants. I just really want to thank everybody who worked with me throughout these last couple of years, from my project managers to the committee to the community members that came out to participate in the workshop. And I feel really proud, really proud and really excited to be able to share this piece with the community.